Number 2. Moen Arbor Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Voice Control. The Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Voice Control. This high-tech faucet is a game changer for your kitchen. The motion-activated sensor and voice control feature make it incredibly convenient to use, whether you're cooking up a storm or just need a quick glass of water. With 4 customizable control methods, including voice activation, app control, hands-free operation, and manual use, this faucet is versatile and easy to operate. You can even set presets for specific measurements and temperatures, taking the guesswork out of everyday tasks, like filling a baby bottle or washing dishes. The LED indicator at the base of the faucet provides a clear water temperature reading, so you'll never be surprised by an unexpected blast of hot water. Plus, the Power Boost technology gives you the option for increased water pressure when using the sprayer, making cleanup a breeze. Installation is a breeze, and with up to 2 years of battery life, you won't need to worry about frequent replacements. While there is a risk of motion sensitivity or app malfunction, the benefits far outweigh the potential drawbacks. What I love most about the Moen Arbor Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet is its seamless integration of technology and functionality. It makes everyday tasks easier and more convenient, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. If you're in the market for a touchless kitchen faucet that's both high-tech and user-friendly, check out the Moen Arbor Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet with voice control today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.